Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here enter gesture shortcuts, go for the gestures and let's see how they work. First one being launch Google Assistant, and here if you enable it you will need to hold the power button for half a second to call out your Google Assistant, and as you can see this works fine. Next one is take a screenshot. There's two options: slide 3 fingers down and use volume down plus power key combination to make a screenshot, and it works like this. First one and the second. Next is partial screenshot. Press and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. Launch camera. Right here you will need to enable both of the settings, and you can use double press power button to open a camera, and also use double press volume down key to open camera on the lock screen. Next feature, turn on torch. If you enable it you will need to replace it with a camera, and here if we double press the power key it will enable flashlight. Last option is double tap fingerprint sensor to open one of these functions. Let's go for a silent mode and try to use it. Yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.